Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I am going to discuss a question of CSIR NET 2019. This question is based upon the pedigree probability. So let's see how to solve this pedigree probability question. It is a very easy question and I hope you will get it. So as you can see here, I have drawn the pedigree given in the question. In this pedigree, as you can see here, the shaded box and circle denotes the diseased person. Okay, so in the question it is given that it is the case of autosomal recessive. So as we know that in autosomal recessive, small a can give the diseased individual. Similarly here, small a, it is the diseased girl. Okay, so you have to find that what is the probability of this child, this offspring, to be affected with the disease. Okay, so let's solve this question. So as we know the genotype of this individual, so its parents will be carrier. Okay, then only the diseased condition can be seen here, and these are undiseased, it means they are carrier. We cross the parents with this genotype, then we find 4 types of possibilities. So I know that this parent will not be homozygous recessive because it is not diseased. Okay, so it can be either homozygous dominant or it can be carrier. So I have to find the probability for carrier, then only this individual will get affected. Okay, so out of 3 only 2 are carrier, so the probability of this individual to be carrier will be 2 upon 3. As you can see here, this is diseased parent, it is shaded, so I am 100% sure that it will be homozygous recessive, so I will not take probability here. Probability is taken at that condition where we are not 100% sure, but here we are 100% sure, so I will not take probability here. But here I was not sure either it is homozygous dominant or carrier, so I took the probability for being the carrier so that it will be diseased. Okay, so as you can see here, if we cross this with this, so I get 4 types. Okay, so this is the diseased condition, so 2 out of 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 are, it means that 1 by 2, so it has the probability of 1 by 2 to be diseased. Now we have to find the total outcome, so we will multiply all this probability and we finally get 1 by 3. So this is the answer. So the answer is option D, 1 by 3. Thank you for watching this. I hope you got it completely. Bye bye. Try to solve this question and comment the answer in the comment box. Thank you.